Well, everything is frozen. I feel like each time I start one of these, it's just like, last night was the coldest night we've had. Well, last night was the coldest night we've had. We're out in the middle of Oregon forest somewhere. We don't know where. And it dropped to frigid cold temperatures. Maybe -10 last night, Celsius. So we're gonna just get out of here. I mean, we've been saying that too. And we haven't been doing it, but we want to get out of here. So we're gonna go to a hot spring today, and then we're gonna get ourselves into the desert. Our water pump froze. Our water froze. Meg's plant is dying. The plants up front in the window are dead. We're frozen. Our bed, like my pillow was like frozen this morning. After some executive decision making, we decided to not go to the desert because we looked and it's even colder than it is here now. So instead, we're gonna just head onto the coast to the state of California. We hadn't intended to drive the state of California just due to the fact that it's really, really expensive right now, especially for Canadians, seeing as we're basically paying 30% more on everything. And California is just an expensive state in general. But when it's this freaking cold, we want warmer temperatures. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think it's a polar vortex right now, so that's why it's so freaking cold. So maybe we can wait it out. We're just gonna pack up and hit her hard and get to the coast today because we're tired of being so cold. So this is where we slept last night. There's probably about 6 inches of snow on the ground. And it was really peaceful and quiet here last night. It's too freaking cold. Welcome to California, babe! Hey, we made it to California. And in time for the sunset! Yay!
The next morning.
Maybe I'll have some chai in my coffee this morning, because...
Hi.
Hi.
So, how happy are you to be on the coast where it's warm?
Oh my goodness. I went outside in a tank top last night. Our pillows weren't frozen overnight. We didn't have to wear toques. Everything is so much better when it's not below 0.
This is a 20 degrees Celsius difference between where we were and where we are now. You did that in like 4.5 hours of driving. Worth it. So now we're exploring the California coast. Definitely a massive change in plans. We were supposed to be in the mountains for like another week. No, too cold. So I wonder what we're gonna go see.
Well, we're just out in the boat for a walk, eh? And we're just checking out all these redwoods, eh?
I look like a lumberjack and she looks like a lumberjack. It's almost like we're gonna come out here and cut down some freaking trees, eh?
Oh, no way.
Oh, no, we're definitely not gonna do that, but we might chew on them a little bit. Because that's what lumberjacks do. No, that's what beavers do. Right. Alrighty then, just on with it then. Still cold?
It's huge.
It's huge.
It's corn.
It's not corn.
It's huge.
It is huge. Look at this one.
Are you stoked? How many?
Wait, 1 million.
This is awesome. Go to the house with all this work.
It's so big and so pretty. Oh! This place is in. Oh, look at that light over there. Oh, very nice. Well, that was a treat.
Sure was.
This place is incredible. I think my mind is probably not going to recover from this for a while because I'm just like astonished at every single turn in the little trail. Wow. This world is big and it's beautiful. Well, we finally found the beach. We also get to use this table that I built for the first time. It's a good day.
This is ideal.
Ideal.
Yes.
Warmth, sunshine, and the beach. Yes, I love it.
Bye, Paul.
Well, hello and welcome back to the van, folks. We are here at one of my favorite secret, undisclosed locations, but I'll tell you this much, is close to the beach. We arrived here last night in the dark after a very long drive day, and we're now just kind of like chilling and enjoying the California heat because it's so much warmer here. I think I mentioned before that we jumped 20 degrees in temperature since we left Bend, and I think we gained a few more degrees coming here. So we're gonna spend the day here and another night just chilling like villains. Yep, and there's my dad stuff right there.
Maybe
Sunshine.
we'll just live here forever.
Are we gonna live here forever?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna live here forever. No, okay. So one of the things that has happened to Meg and I that we have not as of yet mentioned is that we've both had COVID for the past, well, like week and a half, I think. We're both getting over it. I have like maybe 10% of my taste and smell back. Meg has had COVID before, so she kind of bounced back a little bit quicker, but I think this is my first time having COVID. I had some really bad sickness earlier on in the summer that may have been COVID, but I never tested myself, so yeah, it's been an interesting thing to happen. We've discussed at length the different aspects of not having taste and smell, one of which is getting excited for places you're going to eat food. Now I'm like, oh, well, the next town, it may have some really good taco places, but I can't taste the tacos, so what's the point? And that's an interesting aspect of travel that is not there anymore. So I'm really hoping that I regain the taste and smell aspect of my 5 senses. But for now, I will bathe with the sun on the back of my head and enjoy seeing all the pretty sights and listening to the ocean, because those 3 senses are still going strong. This guy's been trying to get up this sandbank without actually putting in any kind of momentum and just utterly failing. Oh my god. Oh, Jeep number 2. He made it a little bit quicker. There you go, buddy.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's hot. It's so hot. That's a good fire.
I know. How did it happen so fast?
Oh, you were chopping the wood like that. You just chopped the best wood, and the fire's like, oh, I like this wood a lot, so I'm gonna burn real hot. Well, we've spent the day kind of chilling out here in our undisclosed super secret location. And it's been a dream. The choice to come to California and warm up was